Welcome to the Medical and Health Information Literacy tutorial. This is Layal Hnaini from Saab Medical Library. As we have discussed in the previous video about the mesh searching and how to stay in the mesh searching to increase the search if I didn't get enough results. We're not supposed to give up that easily and change the topic. No, but we'll be going into keyword searching made less dumb through three techniques: the truncation, proximity, and the field search. In the truncation, there might be an internal or an external truncation. For example, if I use the asterisk in the end of Arab, I'll be getting Arab or Arabs or Arabic or Arabian without me keying in all of these synonyms or key terms. When I use cat star for the concept of cats, this is a wrong truncation, because I'll be getting category, cation, cations, catermina, catastrophe. So when I want to use cats or cat, I can type in cat or cats, or I can use cat ? Which resembles 0 or 1 letter in MEDLINE. What is the best way to truncate the concept of pollution? Pol star, starting with a small root, which the asterisk continues, this gives me many irrelevant results, like polio, for example. Polluti, truncating after the I, will make me miss pollutants. Pollutant, pollutes, or polluted, which are important concepts in the synonym of pollution. So that the right truncation will be pollute star. Be aware of how to truncate and where to truncate. Internal truncation, color, ? In MEDLINE represents 0 or 1 character or letter. So color would give me color, British or American. I can use it also in theses or thesis. MEDLINE allows a combination of truncations. So what's the best way to get all about behavior? It is behavior, which accounts for the American or British behavior and behaviors and behavioral. What about the proximity searches? The first one represents MEDLINE, ADJ, which is making two words close to each other, and interchangeable. So, patient ADJ3, education represents patient education, patient consumer education, patient client education, education of consumer client patient, education of customer client patient, patient client consumer customer set education. So a combination of many phrases together, with patient coming first or last and maximum of 3 words coming in between. The second one represents the one for Google. So asterisk represents a word. It used to be around, capital around, with brackets and the number of the words coming in between, but it was changed recently to the asterisks. This represents another medical bibliographic database. And this is also another one. What will Miss ADJ diagnose retrieve in MEDLINE? ADJ without any number next to it represents a dash or a space. And miss coming as a first word and diagnose as a second word, not interchangeable. We come to the last technique, which is the field searching. There are many authors, Lebanese authors, who have the family name as Lebanon. To avoid, if my topic is talking about Lebanon, the noise of getting results with Lebanon as being the author of the address's author, or the author's name, then I can put Lebanon in the title, abstract, and subject heading. I can specify where I want this keyword to be in the bibliography. This is the representation in MEDLINE, PubMed. So let's apply it now. So, say I want to increase my search by doing nutrition disorders keywords. I would go in nutrition, ADJ3, which represents and feeding disorders. What about disorder? Star, disorders or nutritional. Then I would OR it with bulimia, or bulimic, or anorexia, or anorexic, or malnutrition, or malnutritional, or undernutrition, or undernutrition, or overnutrition, or overnutritional, or nutritions. What about them coming as a space or dash? Then I would go, make sure of the brackets to be written properly. I would go writing them this way. Mal, or under, or over, close brackets, ADJ, nutritional, star, and another bracket. So this first bracket represents the big one, and the other bracket represents for the or malnutrition or undernutrition. Now I can go about specifying I want these not to be in the address of the author, for example, or the name of the journal. I just want them to appear in the title of the article, in the abstract, and I can add in the subject headings or the keywords as well if I want. And now I will have to OR 1 and 10, which are the same concepts, and add them with the concept of the Arabs. So I can do the following: 1 and, or 10, similar concepts are bracketed together, and the Arab concept, which is OR 2 through 7. So instead of getting 2636 results, I increased my search by around 100 by making in the keywords.